Until not too long ago, white toner printing was restricted to superior printers like the iColor line of printers. Now, let's imagine for a minute that you seriously wish you could print on dark colored materials like a fashionable black t-shirt, but you are not quite ready to jump into a high-end white toner iColor printer system. You just wish there was some magic potion for doing just that with your very own home printer. Now, before your very eyes, we'll perform a magic trick to turn your home printer into a solution for printing crisp and striking solid white designs onto any colored or dark colored paper stock, textiles, and hard surface products, and the lowest cost solution for white toner printing in the marketplace. Let's start with the magic words, Absolute White Toner. Then, let's remove your printer's black cartridge and in turn replace it with the Absolute White Toner Cartridge. And just like that, your home printer is ready to print crisp and striking white designs on textiles, hard surfaces, and paper. Take Textiles. Print and press t-shirts, aprons, tote bags, pillow covers, and more. Then transfer onto two-step iColor Paper Standard or Select for the most pristine results. Then press and you are absolute done. Take hard surfaces. Print and press ceramic mugs, metallic mugs, awards, wood boards, trophies, and more. Then transfer to one-step iColor hard surface transfer paper for immaculate results. Press, and you are absolute done. And finally, take print stationery applications, coated or uncoated papers, craft paper, cardstock, sheet labels, and more, which you can print solid white directly onto any colored paper stock suitable for laser printing. See? It doesn't take a wizard to effortlessly print white graphics onto any dark-colored substrate, textile, or hard surface products with Absolute White Toner. Up your graphic printing game with the most brightest white on the market and impress in a simple and cost-effective fashion with gorgeous designs when using white as your design element. And if after that, you find you need the ability to print full-color rasterized images, graphic of all shades, including halftones, then an iColor printer might be the next big trick in your bag. Absolute White Magic. Absolute White Toner. Find Absolute White Toner at iColorprint.com.